In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit settings on your allow and deny list in Hubspot. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or making specific changes to manage who can access your data or services, understanding how to navigate and edit your allow and deny lists can ensure tighter control and security. We'll walk through each step, making this process as simple and clear as possible. Let's begin by heading over to the Hubspot User Guide. Your first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot User Guide page. You can find this page by typing in the URL or by searching for Hubspot User Guide in your search engine. Once the page loads, you might see a variety of options and tabs, providing a wealth of information to help you with different aspects of the Hubspot platform. Next, you'll want to locate the settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon, commonly found in the upper right section of the screen. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings page. The settings page houses a myriad of options that cater to user preferences, privacy settings, and more. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you haven't done so already. Now, we come to the core of today's task, editing your allow and deny list. From the settings menu, look for Allow and Deny List under the Security or Access Management sections. Selecting this option will direct you to the page where you can manage who is allowed or denied access to your Hubspot data or services. On the Allow and Deny List page, you can make precise adjustments that determine access rights. If you're adding a new entry, ensure you have the correct information at hand to avoid any errors. Conversely, if you're removing or editing an existing entry, double-check to ensure that the changes align with your security policies or business requirements. For enhanced security, consider regularly reviewing this list to ensure it accurately reflects your current access needs and protocols. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully managed the Allow and Deny list in HubSpot, giving you greater control over who can access your resources. Don't forget to take some time to explore other settings and features within HubSpot, as the platform offers extensive tools to optimize your workflow and enhance productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out more resources in the HubSpot user guides or reach out to their support team. Until next time, happy managing!